So just moved into a new apartment and I need some forks and knives and spoons. I decided to get this 30-piece flatware set here by MUTNITT. Let's get it open and take a look at them and see how nice they are. Looks like they all come individually packaged, so let's get them out and take a closer look. So it looks like they're separated out into big forks, big spoons, little spoons, and butter knives. Here's one of the big forks right here, made of stainless steel. Nice size, nice shine, and 4 even prongs here. Here's the smaller fork. You could say the exact same thing about it. You see the size difference here. The big one looks like it's about a little over 8 inches, and the small one comes in at about 7 inches. Here's the larger spoon here. It's got a wide end that tapers down to a thin neck here. Lots of room on the spoon here to pick up whatever you're picking up. And nice shine on that stainless steel. The smaller spoon here looks quite a bit like the larger spoon, but maybe the actual spoon head of it is a little bit of a different shape. Not quite as deep of a spoon. The big one looks a little over 8 inches, and the small one looks a touch under 7 inches. And here's the butter knife here. Nice shine on that stainless steel, of course. A wider end here that tapers down slightly through the neck. Partially serrated blade here. Not too sharp though, of course. And the other side is nice and flat. So there you go. There's the set. You're gonna get 6 of each of these, and I'm happy with them. It's exactly what I needed. Nothing too fancy. Just need to eat.